students. Today is 3rd March. Every year on this day, people around the world celebrate World Wildlife Day. So today we will discuss about some of the endangered animals. What is endangered animal? Animals which are present in very few numbers around the world and are at high risk of extinction. If these beautiful animals become extinct, we will never be able to see them again. And it's not going to be good for our ecosystem. I'm sure we all don't want that. There are so many reasons why these animals become endangered and go extinct. Air, water, soil pollution, cutting down of trees, fishing, hunting, global warming, construction. All these cause these beautiful animals so much harm. Today, we have some of the animals who have come to meet you all. The snow leopard, the blue whale, the Royal Bengal tiger, the giant panda, the Asian elephant, the penguin, the vulture, the gorilla. They all have something to say. Let's see what they have to say.
Oh, I'm feeling so hot these days. I heard from my parents a few years ago the climate was beautiful. It was cold, covered with full snow on these beautiful mountains. Because of this heat, the water animals are very less and we do not get enough food to eat. I have beautiful fur. And you know what? These humans are very fond of my fur. They kill me. Kill us. Please, can you tell your human friends not to harm us?
Giant panda. I am a panda with my soft black and white body. Loved by the world. I live in high snow mountains in China. I love to eat bamboo shoots. I can climb trees very fast. Eating and sleeping is a daily life, but these days our population is decreasing due to hunting by hunters, decreasing in forest areas, for developing roads, cities and dams. I hope we meet after some years if we pandas are alive. Please save us. Thank you.
Hello friends, you know who I am and I live in Sundarban and I am the national animal of India. Guess, oh yes, I am the Royal Bengal tiger. I am the biggest species of the cat family. I am strong and I have sharpness that helps me to hunt. Do you know we are the best hunters in the jungle? We have stripes. All of us have unique and different stripes. We can swim as well. We are very important for biodiversity. Today, humans hunt us for our skin and bones. Can you please save us?
Hello all, I am Asian elephant, found in 13 countries in Asia. I am very quiet and playful animal as you have seen me in forests and zoos. I am very happy to give you a ride on my back and eat food from your hands into my long trunk. I have beautiful and long tusks and they are the main reason why man kills us. My natural habitat forests are also being used by humans for growing crops and construction.
leaving very less space for me. We are very intelligent and essential for the forest ecosystem. Please be friends with us.
Hello friends, I am a blue whale and I am the biggest animal in the world and I'm very beautiful and I'm the gentle giant animal. I clean the atmosphere by catching CO2. I give healthy stuff to the surrounding and the surroundings can grow. Humans are killing my friends and families because they want to have meat, oil and perfume. Humans are throwing plastic, garbage and sharp things in my home and it's hurting me and my family. Many of my friends are dead because of this. Very few of us left now. Soon there will be no one left. Please help us, please save us.
Hey friends, how are you all? I came here to meet you all from very far. Do you know who I am and where do I live? I am a flightless bird with black and white colored body. I live in snow. Yes, I'm a penguin. I cannot fly, but I am a very good swimmer. I have flippers, not wings, which help me to swim. I eat small fishes called krills. I love snow, but do you know what? My population is decreasing because of pollution and reduced food availability due to fishing. Climate change is the main reason of our less population. The sea ice, which we depend on, find food or build nest, is melting before our eyes. Can you please help us?
Hello all, you know who I am? I am a giant bird, popularly known as vulture. Have you seen an aeroplane flying in the high sky? Yes, even I can fly at the same height. We are the scavengers and eat the dead animals. Vulture have extremely strong and curved beak, but we don't hunt. We are endangered by the people because of my body parts used for making medicine. Come on, let's take the pledge to make the earth better place for us well. Thank you.
Ha hoo ha hoo ha hoo ha hoo ha hoo hoo. Hello all, I am a gorilla. Hoo ha hoo ha. I show many behaviors and emotions just like you. I can cry, I can laugh, ha 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 ha. Just like you, I'm the largest
Students, we all watched how our animal friends were requesting us to save their homes and their family. But how can we save them? Well, it can be as simple as talking to our friends and family about these endangered animals and telling them that if they go extinct, we'll never be able to see them again. We can make posters and pin them in our apartment notice board, or make small videos and spread it across to make more people aware about them. We can pick up litters from the surroundings and keep our environment clean. So, students, I hope you all will remember about our endangered animals who requested us to save them. Let's all promise to give our best to save these wonderful animals with whom we share our planet Earth. Let's all say together, I promise to save the animals and make our Earth a beautiful place for all species. Thank you.